Smokey Saint shows up to guest lecture at Grace Seminary, the leading theological seminary for free grace theology. This is a story of Smokey Saint at Free Grace Seminary.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
I
Who?
am here to teach you about knock-knock jokes. You see how easy that is? A simple knock.
Okay, now this is just simply introductory, telling the class his objective, what he's going to do, and then he's going to lay forth the principles and field questions by the class as he fills said principles.
And response leads to laughter. Yes, Chuck, question?
Yeah, shouldn't there be a door?
No, that's the beauty of it. No door is required.
Well, then what do you knock on?
Okay, so put name tag on said free gracer. Now, right off the bat, he's not really getting the entire concept of theology because he wants to hyper focus here on the door literally being there for said knock knock principle to be established. So this is real lack of critical thinking skills on the part of the free grace class here.
You don't knock on anything.
I'm confused.
It doesn't make sense.
It's simple. I say knock, knock, and you respond, who's there?
Why would I ask who's there? I can see you.
You're standing right in front of us.
That's why you need...
See, now that's pretty self-evident reasoning, you know? But they are confusing their frame of reference. They don't really get the more abstract principles and concepts behind even before we approach, you know, theology.
Or some sort of barrier.
Yes, you need a door.
You don't need a door, okay? You don't need a door. I say
Now,
knock, knock.
Smokey's starting
You
to
say,
get
"Who's there?"
frustrated
And I
here.
say something like orange. Then you say orange who?
But you're not orange. You're clearly green.
That doesn't seem like a joke.
This is a classic setup.
Okay, so Smokey's getting really frustrated now. See that eye? Look at his eye. Smokey's getting ticked.
It's knock, knock. Who's there?
Look, you're asking me to lie to kids.
He's right. Knocking on a fake door, misrepresenting yourself. It's all very
See, we've got to be nice, people. We can't lie. That would be lying for said knock-knock joke because there is no door. And we already know he's there, so why would we say who's there? Because that wouldn't be honest. We need to back it up for a few moments. Go 20
Yes,
seconds.
you
Here we go.
need a door.
You don't need a door, okay? You don't need a door. I say knock, knock.
And
You say,
Smokey's
who's
getting
there?
real
And I say something
frustrated
like
here.
orange. Then you say
Just
orange
trying to
who?
But you're
Explain
not orange. You're clearly green.
That doesn't seem like a joke.
This is a classic setup. It's knock, knock. Who's there?
Look, you're asking me to lie to kids.
He's right. Knocking on a fake door, misrepresenting yourself. It's all very suspect.
I don't like lying to kids.
Yeah, that's against company policy.
Don't make me lie.
It's okay, Chuck. We just won't
Yeah.
answer the door no matter how much he fake knocks and lies about who he is.
See? Kind of self-evident, folks. But at this point, I think Smokey's going to get really, really angry. But for the sake of continuity, let's back this up a little more.
It's all very suspect.
I don't like lying to kids.
Yeah, that's against company policy.
Don't make me lie.
It's okay.
Okay, now we'll just go ahead and stop there. You know, ding dong here. Forgot to plug in his iPad. But hold on one moment for the sake of continuity and my laziness to not want to clip two recordings together. One moment, please. Let me set you on my 9mm cartridges there. Oops. Luckily, I do have the charging cable. Talks amongst yourselves, folks. Talks amongst yourselves. Okay. Oops, pardon me. Yep. Throwing stuff all over the floor too. Look at that. I'm a mess. Okay, folks. Now, we're getting our charge here. And I should probably go turn off the alarm Tammy has set for me to remind me to, you know, do certain things, like live life. Okay, folks, here we go. Apologize for the delay, but frankly, don't want to start all over. Of course, if any one of my nice friends would like to edit this stuff out for me, of course, that's fine and dandy. But here we go, folks.
It's okay, Chuck. We just won't answer the door no matter how much he fake knocks and lies about who he is.
I can't take it anymore. I can't take it. It's just a simple thing. Knock, knock. Who's there? That's how it works.
See, you folks don't know how many times I had to take Smokey out on a stretcher when he would guest lecture for me at the Free Grace Seminary. I mean, this is pitiful. Look at what you guys put Smokey through.
Just won't answer the door no matter how much he fake knocks and lies about who he is.
I can't take it anymore. I can't take it. It's just a simple thing. Knock, knock. Who's there? That's how it works. It's called humor.